Good day. Today is August the 12th, 2020, and we're going to discuss the stock of the day for today for a couple of algorithms that I'm going to show you um, at in our platform called Alpha Hub. So this is actually the website. If you're interested to check these algorithms, alphahub.us, and we are running alpha testing at the moment. So if you want to sign up, you're getting a discount for several months. That will be the time where we are testing these algorithms with our subscribers. So please check both the instructions in the explanation for the video, from description of the video, but also you can contact me directly, or you can go on the website. So we had we are trying to be as honest as possible in sharing our information. So the algorithms doesn't always wins, right? So it has a success rate close to 60%, 59.09 to be precise. This is calculated over a period of 1 year. And most of the time when we win large. So our wins are about 2 times bigger than our losses. So that is a big thing. So it's not just that we win more often, but also when we win, our wins are larger than our losses. That is what you want in a very good trading system. Most of our algorithms choose one stock. We do have other algorithms that give you more than one stock. In other videos I explain how we do a selection. Today I wanted to tell you what was the selection for the day. Also wanted to point out that we had a few bad trades. 1, 2, 3, 4. We had 4 days where we basically lost, right? So it looks like something is wrong with the algorithm, but actually this can happen. It's typical given the statistic, and I will just explain this in another YouTube video. When you look at the gains of our trading system, they fit a very nice theoretical distribution, and from this distribution you actually can calculate the likelihood of having, like in this case, 4 bad trades in the row. And they do happen. They are relatively rare. We call them drawdowns, right? When we have a relatively long period of time where we go down. We cannot go up. So the same thing can happen the other way around, right? If you look at this period, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 good trades in the row, right? So it doesn't always happen. So while this is the percentage rate, they tend to come in clusters. It's not that you have 1 down, 1 up, or 2 up, 2 down, and so on, right? There are sequences, and actually you can calculate what is the likelihood for having more than one trade that goes in one direction or the other. And even that follow very precise mathematical law that at a certain point I will show you. It's nothing. Some people sometimes say, okay, maybe there are market conditions. Of course, everything we are still connected to the market, and if a market is in a bull stage, we tend to go up, and vice versa. But usually our correlation with the market is actually very low. There is a weak correlation. It's not very strong. Sometimes we go up when the market goes down, and vice versa. This behavior is mostly due to the distribution of our gain, the particular distribution that drives the behavior of these of the gains. And I will show you that in another video, how you can actually make calculations of how many times you're going to have drawdowns like this, how long they last, and so on. It's quite predictable. But anyway, so we had a few bad days, and today we're actually having a pretty good day. And hopefully, probably would not make up all the drawdown, but it will give us some level of recover. And so yes, you see yesterday we choose this stock cost. We lost about 1%. And previously we had a 2% loss, 1%. So it was a relatively bad week. But today we are, I think, almost 3% up. So we're recovering some of these losses. And the choice of today was eBay. So let's see how eBay is doing. So the price right now, it's 56.14. Hopefully it goes up more than these. I want to show you what was the price that we actually bought at. So the suggested price this morning, we have, like I explained before in other videos, every morning we give a suggestion. This particular algorithm gives the signals at 9:40. So just 10 minutes after the bells open. And we use this time mostly because it takes some time for the data services that we are using to get stable data. If we are trying to pull data at exactly 9:30, we are getting a lot of garbage, like prices that are not correct, or maybe NAN kind of value. So we just wait about 10 minutes to give a little bit stability. We want to catch that volatility early in the morning. At the same time, we want to give a little bit of time for the market to stabilize a little bit, for at least for the information gathering algorithms, like the ones that we use to get our prices to stabilize. And so this was the price that we bought, 54.62, and this is the current price. So, and it's about close to 3% gain so far, and there's been a pretty nice stable growth all morning for this particular stock. I'm going back to the algorithm. So as I say, we have different algorithms. And I want to show you this other one. It's called Minotaur's 1. So this algorithm has different performance from the previous one, but it's still doing pretty well over the entire year, about 300% in 1 year. That is a 4-pair gain in just one single year. That is pretty amazing. Over 1 week, we did about 1% gain. Last month, 10% gain. Over 3 months, 35%. And you can see it's a pretty steady, nice growth, even if we had again, this is not really a drawdown, but it was a period where we didn't do very much. This between July, so about well, it's less than a month, because we had at the beginning of the month we had a nice trades. We made a nice gain when we stay stable for some time. Again, this happens, like drawdowns happen. There are periods like these where this was a kind of a small drawdown, right, from the peak, very small. But still a very nice gain. There are some trading algorithms that don't do this in one year, This was just in 1 month. And over 6 months, you can see it's a very pretty nice, steady growth. So this also is a winner for today. MDLZ, it's a food-related price stock. And again, the algorithm suggested to buy at 55.99, and right now we are at 56.35. So about 40 cents, close to 40 cents gain on this stock. Okay. So you can. So I want to show you the statistics of this. So this stock has a little bit higher Sharpe ratio, so it's more regular. It has less jumps. So even if it was a little bit less, right? So the winning trades are close to the other one. It's just that the profit factor is smaller. So the other stocks has sometimes bigger jumps, and so when you win. Sometimes you have a very large win. So the other one had a close Sharpe ratio, which was around 3. This one is 3.2 to 1, so it's a little bit more reliable. So this is why we offer different stocks. We have different characteristics. Some have a higher Sharpe, a little bit less gains, but they are more consistent, over time. So if you like to be a little bit more safe and still make very nice gains, maybe you want to trade with this one, or you could trade with both, right? And you can decide to have more than one stock in your portfolio. It is safer than if you trade both stocks, Minotaur 1 and Optimus 1. You will have a little bit more diversity. Maybe you will make a little bit less money than just trading with Optimus 1 alone, but it's one of the things that our members do. And by the way, I wanted to show you that one of the things that we offer, it's actually this Discord channel. I'm trying to, there are different people on the Discord channel. And this is a channel that we offer for the members of our community, basically. So it's like a community that we created around this service. So if you sign up for and become an alpha tester, you will join this community. We will give you access to this channel, and people help each other, because sometimes people decide to put stop losses. Most people are happy. I want to show you this to show you that there are real people behind this service, and we are trying to communicate with our members. We are ourselves trading. This is me trading, and talking about some of the details of a strategy. But it's nice to have a community, because people help each other. Sometimes we tell, okay, maybe we should close our position, even if the strategy behind the algorithm is to keep the stock an entire day, and keep it overnight, actually. Some people decide to get out early and close their positions, when maybe things don't go our way. Some people use leverage when they feel confident about the trade. And it seems that the stock. We look at intraday charts, and as a community, it's better to have several eyes looking at these charts instead of only one person. And that actually is very useful. People find it useful. So this is not explained on the website, but I wanted to add this information for the people that decide to join our community, because I think it's a nice asset that we offer to our members. Anyway, so let me know if you have questions or comments. I will see you tomorrow with the new stock of the day. Bye.